Good morning, my YouTube viewers. It's Crystal here. I'm just here this morning because I wanted to make another video for you on statistics in Excel. And basically what we're going to be talking about in this video is we're going to be talking about the least squares. And just see if I can get this. So the least squares, the method of least squares is a parameter estimation method in regression analysis based on minimizing the sum of the squares and the residuals being the difference between the observed value and the fitted value by a model made in the results of each individual equation. And basically what we're doing is we've got a data set of the hours studied based upon the exam score that it's expected that they would have achieved for the hours that they studied, and it goes all the way up from 1 to 11, so being from 50% all the way to 100%. And so we're going to carry out the least squares, and so we're going to use the line nest function in Excel, and it's going to carry out the least squares from B3 to B13, A3 to A13, and then it's going to be true and then true. And you can look up line nest up on the Microsoft documentation, and it will tell you what the true and the true actually means. But what happens is when you run this formula up, it will give you the slope, and it will give you the intercept, it will give you the standard error, it will give you the R squared for standard error, R squared and standard error. It will give you the F-stat and the degree of freedom, and it will give you the sum of the squares. So that's pretty neat because in one little formula, it will give you quite a few statistics in that one little formula. And what you can do is, if we want to go over here, number 6, B8, we want to change that to 100%. And you will see that that will change the values in your regression coefficient as well. So you can see that the formula is working. And another thing that you can do, if you want to, you can make a graph of that. So we just plot off the data set that we want to make a graph of. You go to Insert, you go to Recommended Charts, and we're going to go to All Chart, go to XY Scatter Plot. So we're going to come over here to the XY Scatter Plot and make a chart, and then we're going to move the chart down here. But what we'll do is you come over here where it says plus, so you click on to plus. I'll just get this. Click on to plus. We go to trend line, and then we go to more options. So we want go to more options. So we're going to be linear, and then we're going to set it up for display equation on chart, display R squared value on the chart. And you set it up so you get the trend line, you get the R squared, which is 1, and then you get the formula is y equals 5x plus 45. So that's how you can make a linear regression model chart on Excel. So Excel doesn't actually do linear regression per se in their formulas. You have to do it with the data analysis tool pack, but we'll be doing the simple linear regression in the next video if you want to see that. and we can show you how to do that in the data analysis toolpath. So I think I'm going to go ahead and conclude this video because we talked about the least squares method, which is a type of linear regression. And we talked about the formula in Excel, and we created a graph which shows you the linear regression that gives you the formula and the R-squared. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching my video. I look forward to communicating with you in the next video where we will be discussing simple linear regression.